FlowFactor AI builds connected content flows in phases. So instead of asking AI for one thing, then chasing the next thing, then gluing it all together, you describe the outcome once. FlowFactor maps the steps, runs them in order, and hands you the finished package. Here's how it works. You type what you want in a few simple sentences. FlowFactor breaks it into phases. You'll see what it's going to create and what it will cost before you run into it. Then you click run and it builds everything step by step in the right order. When it's done, you'll download the deliverables. No prompt engineering, no manual stitching, no bouncing between tools. Here's a real example. To create a complete promotional campaign, simply type create a launch package based on the product info I paste below. I need a lead magnet PDF, a landing page to give it away, a 5-part delivery and follow-up email sequence, social media images for popular social media platforms, and a promotional video script. And FlowFactor turns that into an actual flow. Research and positioning first, then the sales copy, then the emails, then the PDF with a cover, then the social media pack sized for platforms with captions, and a video script. And because it's one connected flow, everything matches. Same angle, same tone, same message. Here's another one. Paste a blog URL and type, turn this into a 10-minute 2-voice podcast. FlowFactor pulls the key points, turns it into a back and forth, and generates the audio with 2 AI voices.
Hey there, and welcome back to the Writer's Corner podcast. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic.
Now, competitor research. Upload a screenshot of their ad or their website, or paste their website address, and type analyze their messaging, create a differentiation strategy, then generate a blog post, social media pack, and email positioning us as the better alternative. So you go from competitor information to a clear angle to ready to publish content all in one flow. And it's not just one type of output. You can build flows that create blogs, articles, scripts, images and social packs, voiceovers and 2-voice podcasts, music, jingles, video clips, PDFs, spreadsheets, email sequences, and translations. Now the fun part is chaining it. You can take a website or document, translate it to Spanish, turn it into a podcast, generate social media images, and create a visually stunning downloadable PDF all in one connected flow.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.